Hi, welcome viewers. In this video we are going to talk about the top best drones in 2021 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The best drones let you fly about with ease, shoot amazing photographs and videos, and not worry about crashing into objects, whether you're a cameraman, YouTuber, or just want to have some fun. The top quadcopter drones are currently all under $2,000, with many outstanding models available for under $1,000. However, there are many factors to consider, such as flight time, what you want to perform with the drone, and so on. That's where our best drones guide comes in. I have prepared this video guide for the best drones in 2021, so let's get started. 3. DJI FPV Combo. FPV drones have always been a niche hobby with a high learning curve requiring substantial technical knowledge and DIY abilities. DJI's latest FPV drone defies all stereotypes about the genre, bringing the unrivaled thrills of lightning-fast flight to the masses. FPV drones can fly through tight gaps at scorching racing speeds and do flips and barrel rolls in the air, whereas regular photographic drones glide through the skies calmly. With a flight simulator, assisted modes, and sensors to help you avoid collisions, the DJI FPV drone comes with everything you need to get started: goggles, controller, and drone, and is designed to ease you into the tough and exhilarating world of FPV. The drone has a camera that can capture 4K video at 60 frames per second. It has a top speed of 89 miles per hour and has a low latency video feed so you can stay in charge of the drone at all times. 2. Autel Robotics EVO 2. The Autel EVO 2 is a legitimate competitor to DJI's popular Mavic 2 drones, and it outperforms them in some aspects. The EVO 2's 48MP sensor with 8K 24fps video capability is the standout feature here, as it packs a surprising level of detail into a sensor that measures less than 1 inch wide. The EVO 2's outstanding 4K 60fps video will be more practical for most users, and the sensor's high resolution enables for amazing lossless 4x video zoom. You can get a lot of information out of 48MP images as long as it's sunny outside, and there's plenty of room for cropping in post-production. This UAV has one of the most advanced and dependable collision avoidance systems available, making it extremely safe to fly. The controller's built-in display, which allows the drone to be flown without the need for a smartphone, is maybe even more appealing. 1. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. For years, DJI's Mavic series of drones has reigned supreme, and the Mavic 2 Pro is the crown jewel. This drone has the most modern sensors and software on the market, as well as professional-grade photo and video quality from its Hasselblad camera's huge, 1-inch sensor. It has a stunning 20-megapixel resolution with Hasselblad's top-of-the-line color science. Because of its big sensor size, this drone is one of the best for capturing low-light photographs in the early morning or at dusk. A variable aperture lens gives you more control over your photographs, which is a rare feature in drones and will appeal to filmmakers who need to manage their shutter speed to shoot smooth, cinematic footage. The camera is the showstopper, but the rest of the drone is equally outstanding. The Mavic 2 Pro uses a wide range of sensors to deliver a high level of safety and peace of mind by preventing mishaps. So guys, this was the video about the best drones in 2021. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.